In this video, I'm going to break down the 50-30-20 budgeting method as one of the budgeting techniques that you can use to attain financial success. It involves splitting your after-tax income or your net income into 3 categories, whereby 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes to savings. This simple and straightforward method can help you come up with a reasonable budget that can help you attain financial success. And as I've always taught in my past videos, budgeting is one of the habits you need to develop in order to attain financial success. In case you're new here, my name is Dre. I'm the founder and CEO of Finance Cure and the author of the best-selling book, The Wealth Blueprint. Remember, on this channel, I give you the tips, tools, and strategies to help you navigate your financial journey and attain financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 categories and how you can apply this method and come up with a good budget. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Now, needs are things that are necessary for your survival or things you can't live without. Basically, they are the essentials of life. For example, things like food, groceries, utilities, healthcare, and by the way, it includes some monthly payments like mortgages, insurance, car payments, and other scheduled monthly payments. Category number 2 are wants. Now, wants are things that you spend money on that are not really essential. These are things you can do without. For example, things like buying new gadgets, things like buying designer clothes, things like going on vacation, things like going to the gym. You can exercise from home. Things like buying a ticket to go and watch a game, which game you can watch from home. And category number 3 is savings. Now this category is a bit vast because it involves all the aspects that pertain to savings. For example, this is where you have to establish your emergency fund. This is where you have to save for your retirement. And this is where you have to save for your investments. So that is category number 3. I hope at this point you're getting value from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Now let me get into the how. How do you apply this method? Now, here are 4 things that you have to do in order to apply this method. Number 1 is you have to know your after-tax income. You have to sit down and get to know that figure that remains in your account after everything has been taken off. Now, step number 2 is you need to sit down and get a calculator and break down that money into the percentages. You have to break down that money and get what goes to 50%, what goes to 30%, and what goes to the 20%. Now, step number 3 is you must do it on a monthly basis. Apply this method on a monthly basis. Don't do it on a yearly basis because it will not give you good results. Do it on a monthly basis. And now the last one is you must be consistent. Do it consistently. Do it on a consistent basis. No matter what happens in your finances, make sure you apply this method. Stick to this method until you get the desired results. Don't skip any month. Now, budgeting doesn't have to be something complicated. It's a habit you have to develop and keep doing it over and over again. This is one of the methods that you can apply. It is one of the simplest methods. And of course, there are other methods like the 70-20-10 budgeting method and the 80-20 budgeting method that you can find on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. I'll see you in the next one.